Good morning, traders. It is Thursday, October 31st, Halloween. Market's pretty spooky today. We had the FOMC statement yesterday. They had a quarter point rate cut. They said they're probably on hold for a while. Brexit looks better. U.S.-China trade truce looks better from an uncertainty standpoint. Fed does not feel compelled to ease again. We had decent economic news that came out. GDP better than expected, 1.9%. ADP was decent, that was in line. The official PMIs were largely in line, so the Fed doesn't feel compelled to do anything here. Market's addicted to easy money. It wants another rate cut. Not going to get it. So there was a chance that we would have some letdown, and that's what we're currently seeing right now. We've got this horizontal support level at 302, which we're testing it right now. Let's go right to the S&P 500. And you can see the heavy selling. This is a downtrend day. Right now we are 1 hour into trading. Any bounce is going to be a short. You can see how this support level is being challenged currently. Long red candles. Hey, by the way, I'd mentioned to you that the 1.0 indicator is excellent for day trading the S&Ps. You can see right out on the open here. Market opens here. This is the start of the day. You can see how it's been in negative territory. Market sliding, sliding, sliding. On heavy sell-offs like this, we typically will get a cross in the indicator. I would not trade that, but I would wait for that next cross down, and that will signal your next leg down. We are not going to see a good bounce in this market until late in the day, maybe the last half hour of trading. That 302 level on the SPY is critical. Let's zoom back out and take a look at it. That's your breakout. That is support. I also drew a uptrend line here. That uptrend line also needs to hold. This is good news. We have been waiting for a market pullback. And I've been saying in my comments, the only way that I can get aggressive with my swing trades is if we get a market pullback. So we're getting one right now, and we could get a decent one. It's going to flush out these bullish speculators. So this downside here could be pretty decent. And where might we rest? The 100-day moving average is possible. 300 is possible. So we'll be monitoring those levels on the way down. But all told, gotta like the market here. So any dip, we're looking to sell bullish out of the money put spreads on strong stocks. So we want to take a look at the stocks after earnings releases that have been holding up well. I'll talk about one pattern in particular that I'm looking for. If you're a day trader, which this video is for day traders, we're going to be looking for short trades as well. I just produced my swing trading video last night. There we were looking at the long side. There we are looking to sell bullish put spreads on a market pullback. So I'm excited. If we didn't get this pullback, we would have been grinding higher and higher on extremely low volume. The intraday ranges would have been extremely compressed as well. This has all happened on very light volume. That is not a sign of strength. That is a sign that these profits can be ripped away very, very quickly. You can see here how we're making a new low for the day. We're taking out that 302 level. So yes, we are short in the chat room. So I'm going to highlight a couple of stocks that I think are good shorts. VLO is one. And we'll take a look at that daily chart. And you can see the reversal off of this top here, that breakout. This was earnings before the open. Stock pops up, gave back those gains yesterday when the market was trading higher very easily. Stock closed near its low. Today, boom, selling off again. This steep uptrend here is parabolic. So whenever you get moves like that, it suggests that it is overextended. So I like this short right here. We're going to be trying to find some other shorts. Before I do that, I want to mention, if you're an active trader, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm going to be posting these videos an hour after the open every day when possible. Very, very active today, so not able to get it up as early as I'd like. I'm going to have actionable trades every single day, so please subscribe to the YouTube channel because then you'll be notified instantly when I post these videos. If you like the content, please give it a thumbs up. That feedback tells me when I'm doing things correctly or incorrectly if I don't get the thumbs up. So, everything is available at oneoption.com, www.oneoption.com. Option Stalker shows us the best stocks to trade. Let's get going. Let's see what we got. So, want to get some good day trades off right away. Let's see if we can find heavy selling candidates. A lot of heavy selling candidates. I looked at Twitter this morning. That's a nice breakdown. They're not going to be allowing political ads. And during the next year, they would make a ton of money off of Republicans and Democrats. Lyft, that is a big bearish engulf. I think Lyft is an excellent short. You can see earnings came out, opened on the high, sell, 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 sell. Very heavy selling pressure. That's a good short. Easy to find. Heavy selling. These stocks have unusually heavy volume, trading below the prior day low, liquid options. So all things that we like. I'm going to keep going down. We're going to take a look at the daily chart. Yes, I like to have, there you got Disney poking below the 200-day moving average. As long as it's below the 200-day moving average, that's a good short. Small little uptrend broken here. You can see a nice downtrend. We're going to put up the 10 SI indicator. There you can see relative weakness. Okay, so Disney looks like a good short today. Going to continue to just take a look down this list. We've got a lot of energy stocks in here. Uber obviously short after the Lyft news. There's a big breakdown right there, WDC. So you have a double top, lower high. Double top, lower high, earnings after the close. Stock has absolutely fallen through that 100-day moving average. For those of you who like to sell premium, a out of the money bearish call spread using that 100-day moving average right there would be excellent. Should have a clean path down to that 200-day moving average. That's a nice short. Pop bear. Let's take a look at what we've got there. I'm trying to do this as quickly as I possibly can. W, nasty decline after earnings. Taking a look at anything else, there's a poke below the 200-day moving average. YUMC, that looks good. Alta's been weak previously, continuing to fall. I don't like this one because those are two long tails under body. That suggests that there's some support there. We're going to go into after earnings searches. So these are companies that announced after the close yesterday or before the open today. That's your easiest to find right there. Just go into this list. And I'm also going to take a look at relative weakness. See if we find anything new in there. McDonald's had a bounce. I would not be shorting that just yet. This is a nice one right here. You've got the stock rallying through the major moving averages, not able to hold those gains, and it falls below the 100-day moving average. In general, you can see how transports have been weak. This was a horizontal resistance level. Then it becomes support as the stock moves above it. Now it's resistance again, pretty much where the opening price was today. That would be your stop. NSC looks like a nice short. Yesterday I highlighted FDX. So transportations are seeing some weakness. You can see additional selling in FDX. So I'm going to highlight the stocks that I think are good shorts today. TWTR, VLO, LYFT, DIS, FDX, NSC. If I continue to do these searches for another 5 minutes, I'd probably find another 20 candidates. The main thing is that you want to let the market come in. This support level right here is being challenged. We're going to rest there, and we're probably going to end up bouncing off of this support level. Don't be lured into thinking that we're go, go, go off to the races. After heavy selling like this, the bullish speculators can easily be flushed out of positions. You can see right now that 10P is crossing right in here. You see that little red line above the dotted blue line? That also suggests that we could see a little bit of a bounce right here. What you do is once we get the bounce, you start drawing an uptrend line underneath the price movement. When that uptrend line is violated, you know the next leg of the downward movement is about to come. But you're not shorting it. You're letting the market bounce just as high as it wants to go, and you're not shorting until that uptrend line is violated. And ideally at that time you'll have the 10P indicator spiking and crossing over, and it'll coincide with that downward trend break. So that's how we play it. I'm going to be trading S&P futures today. I'm excited. The volume's been so low that I really haven't been doing a lot of futures trading recently. Going to be trading today. Think we're going to have some selling today. So watch for bullish speculators to get flushed out today. I've given you the shorts to take a look at. I don't think you need to worry about selling out of the money bullish put spreads today. Tomorrow I'll try and highlight some of those. But for today, I think you need to be on the short side. Don't look for a rally until very, very, very late in the day, if at all. And there's a good chance that if we do get a late day rally, we'll probably rally to that SPY 302 level and we'll rest right at the breakout, so it'll leave everyone guessing as to what's happening. But I think we're going to come down, maybe test that upward trend line. So around the 300 level, we could see a nasty little day, especially as bullish speculators get flushed out of the market. Longer term, any dip is going to be a buy. So I want the S&P to come down to that 100-day moving average, please. The 200-day moving average would be even better. Then I can load up and ride the market into year end. So a lot of uncertainty has been removed. You got to have a buy the dip mentality, but let this weakness come in. View it as an opportunity. We have taken off almost all of our bullish put spreads ahead of the FOMC meeting so that we could take advantage of this drop. We're in great shape right now, so lots of good opportunities. Day trade from the short side. Let's wait for that support. Then we're going to load up on our bullish put spreads. I'll see you tomorrow.